know the difference between an atom, a molecule, an element, a compound, an electron, a proton, a neutron? You know the difference between those things?
Yeah.
Sure you do.
Electron is negatively charged.
Well, then you didn't do your primer. Do your chemistry primer. It's posted in Angel. Okay, so an atom is the smallest unit of a substance. The substance would be an element. An element is made up of all the same kind of atoms. You could have an atom of mercury. Mercury is an element. You know the periodic table of the elements? Those are elements, pure elements. Each element is made up of atoms. The atoms of an element are all the same kind. So mercury contains mercury atoms and only mercury atoms. Nickel contains nickel atoms and only nickel atoms. Now an atom consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Okay? Okay. If you have atoms of different elements bonded to each other, that's a molecule. A molecule of different atoms makes up a compound. So a compound consists of atoms of different elements. Okay?
Yep.
And, okay. Let's see. When you have atoms interacting, perhaps to form a molecule, they interact by forming bonds. The bonds actually form between the electrons of the atoms. Everybody knows that?
Yeah.
Okay. Sharing of electrons is a covalent bond. And that's mostly the kind of bond you need to